Alright, let's try this again. Man, we are desperate, guys. We are very, very desperate for some king salmon. And I haven't had any good luck lately. As you guys all know, salmon fishing is tough. And I'm trying to beat the storm here. Yeah, man, it just hasn't been good lately. I've tried everything in my arsenal. And I suck. I suck. Got a skein sitting out there now. Let's see if that does anything. It starts raining. Nice. Oh, this is perfect. What's up, Brayden?
What's up?
We are out here on, where are we?
Out fishing.
Out fishing. Yeah, this is my nephew. But we're out here fishing for some salmon. We got about 2 hours before it gets dark, and we're gonna give it a go. My brother is over there. He's out there, so we're gonna see how it goes. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the water. What do you want to say, Brayden? We're gonna catch a big one?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this. Alright, the good old sewage hole. I don't think there's enough skiing. Yeah. My bobber stopper is at 7 feet. How'd you do that?
Just took it off. I set it and it burst.
Really?
Yeah. It's a lot better when the water pumps out.
Yep, we need current. Oh, go, 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 go. Ciao, bro. Oh, shit, dang, dude. Oh. Damn, dude, I ran hard as hell. I told you, bro. I was a good. Watch it, dude. It's gonna go down fast. Oh no, that was a salmon. That was a salmon, dude. Oh shit. That was a salmon. I felt the weight. Got him. Yep, now I got him. Chow, get the net, Chow, get the net. I got him this time.
It's gonna be a while before you get that fish.
Yep. See, you see how like instantly you have to set the hook? Yep. Oh, jeez. It's taking real hard. You good? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. There you go.
Don't deal with that little shit.
Yeah, we got him. We got him.
You got him?
Yeah, we got him.
Let's go. Okay.
There we go.
He's coming. He's coming.
Just I broke my hand.
Watch. Here he comes. Here he comes.
He's coming through.
I think, is that a king?
I don't know. It's a king. It's running like a king. Yep. There we go, boys. And we're on. Yeah, I'm like, you gotta hold it, dude. It's an instant bite.
Wow.
Yep. Oh, don't go to the weeds. Don't go to the weeds. Don't go to the weeds. There is. Yeah, there's a couple. Yeah, there's a couple weeds over there. It knows. It knows to go over there. That's where all the bait fish are hanging out at. There we go. Watch out, Brayden. Watch out.
You can definitely see that's a good fish.
Yep. It's just a buck though.
You got him.
Yeah, it's a male.
If he comes this way, I'll be happy to get him.
Yep.
Go.
Just keep jigging, guys. No, don't go under. Don't go under. Don't go under.
He's coming. Go.
Chow, you ready, Chow?
Oh, that is coho.
Yep. It's a coho. Yep. Chow, ready? Go.
You're ready. Come on.
Coho.
Pull it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all good.
It's a female.
Come on.
They don't look like they have any eggs.
Come on. Oh.
Hey, here we go.
It's a male.
It's a male, yeah.
It's a male. Yep.
Woo! Thanks,
I was
man.
just hoping I didn't hook your other pole.
Oh, you're good. No worries.
Fuck, yeah.
Is it a king? No, it's a king.
That's a king.
Yeah, it's a king. I thought it was a coho.
I want to touch it.
Don't touch it? Yeah, I figured it was just a buck.
I want to touch
I
it.
figured because female is different.
Yeah, look at that.
Female's
Touch
more
it.
clear.
So
Oh, we need to
big.
picture up.
Yeah, I'll take pictures.
It's so big.
Let's not have him bang his head. You want to grab my phone out of this pocket right here? You have an iPhone, right?
Yeah, I got
Okay, then you know how to use it. No, just use mine, yeah.
It's not.
Nope, just hold on to the camera right there. Yep, just hold on to that, yeah. Let go. You don't hold it too long.
Oh.
Right here. There you go. That's good enough, yep. Alright, let's get him back in the water. He's still a pretty healthy fish, so.
He's gonna die in 2 weeks.
Yep, he's gonna die in 2 weeks. Alright, guys. Got a nice little king here. We're gonna send him back.
One.
Definitely not milking yet, so.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good sign.
See ya, buddy. Good fish.
Don't touch it.
Oh, what you want to call him?
Huh? Oh, he already did. Yeah. Yeah, he already did. He meant like he wants to hold it. There you go, bro. Come on, fishy. Just one more and make the video.